Hello, Miss Universe! Sino kaya ang magiging Miss Barako Day 2024? Holding hands. First, I'll be announcing our title holder, Miss Barako Tapusan 2024. Once again, I'll be announcing our title holder. Kinakabahan ako. Congratulations! You are our Miss Barako Day Tipakan 2024! Kung nakakatog si Beth, wala nakakabay si Beth. Huwag kayong kabahan! May kas na kayo! Here we go! Our Miss Barako Day Tipakan 2024 is candidate number... Congratulations! Candidate number 3! Our first runner-up is candidate number 1, Miss Juno Carlson Di Macano. We will be awarding first our first runner-up. We will be awarding first our first runner-up. Our first runner-up is candidate number 1. Juno Carlson Di Macano will receive a certificate and sash in the crown and a cash of 2,000 pesos. Sila sa kabila po ang ating first runner-up. Last Barako Day dito sa Amorosego.
So once again, congratulations, candidate number 1.
Once again, it's my honor to present to you our Miss Barako Day Tipakan 2024. Candidate number 3, Tico Bana! Our last Miss Barako Day 2018 Art and Abstract Panel Judges. Muli maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Wow, congratulations to our new Miss Barako Day 2024.
You win.